Hey everyone, this is Zaid Hanna with the Hanna Group here at Real Estate 38. And this week in Market Update, we always cover the inventory. The inventory has been holding steady. We have again 581 total actives. That means condos, townhouses, and single family homes. If you're a buyer, you're looking for something, you can find 581 total actives. Now we also have 363 in pendings. That means they're in contract. The seller have accepted an offer on them. That has been staying consistent. Of course, we dropped last week after Thanksgiving. We're seeing about the same amount. So the interesting thing that we're seeing in the market today, well, let's go back 3 months ago where we were holding an open house, and as the market slowdown was appearing, we would see 5 to 6 people, maybe even 10 people, and that was like, wow, we had a lot of people through the open house. So regardless of the price point, we are seeing 30 to 40 people even in second week this time around as we're holding our open houses. So that's kind of interesting. Now, as we are looking at the activity of the open house, that's for the sellers, of course, that's for the buyers to know what kind of competing factors that are out there from a buyer standpoint. So let's really look and see and kind of get some of the feedback that we're getting from our buyers. Well, if you are a move-up buyer, typically that's a Gen Xer. What we're seeing is that they're saying, hey, I don't care what's happening in the market right now. I did sell my house and I've been a homeowner before. This is a long play for me. This is not a flip where I'm buying a home, I'm selling in 6 months. So they know if this is like 3 to 5 years out, they're entering the market. And in fact, they don't care. What's interesting, I'm seeing some very good interest rates out there. Some of the banks are actually competing for your business. So there's definitely better rates that I can show you today from an average bank out there than I did like 3 weeks ago. Now, another interesting thing that's starting, and I kind of noticed it about a couple of weeks back, analyzed the inventory, the condo market is actually reacting positively, meaning let's go back to 2018 and the market, when it peaked, it started to drop. Condo market continued to suffer through 19. COVID, people didn't want to be in elevators and 1-bedroom condos or even 2-bedroom. They wanted a 3rd bedroom. They wanted that backyard. So if they're working full-time from home, they wanted to have that whole, live from home, work from home, entertain from home, and have everything from home. As things are opening up, people are going back to work. So the condo market near the job market, meaning if you're living in San Jose, you have many tech jobs, you have them in Sunnyvale, you have them in Santa Clara, you have them in Cupertino, all the way up to Peninsula. So the closer you are to the job market, you are seeing more activity of buyers. And typically that's the younger generation. That's the late millennial. That's the age group of even Gen Zers from 25 years of age to about 35. They're excited about condos, 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom condos. So I've been preaching that for quite some time. That has been flat from 2018 to as we enter 23 now. That's seeing a little bit more activity as we're going back to work, closer to work. So people are saying, hey, that's in my budget. It's actually very attractive, even though the rates are a little bit higher from what we had seen 6 months ago. So if you guys are really interested to dig deeper in further data, feel free to reach out to me, 408-515-1613. Bye-bye for now.